Hi everyone. Welcome back to AI Finance Buddy. Are you ready to unveil the secrets of today's market? The landscape is shifting, with tech stocks soaring and telecoms facing challenges. Welcome to AI Finance Buddy, your guide to the latest trends and stock movers you must know. Today, Alphabet, Google, shines with a 3% gain, while T-Mobile, TMUS, grapples with a subscriber decline, even after beating earnings. Meanwhile, AutoNation, and speeds ahead, surpassing expectations. But there's more. We'll explore vital financial concepts like tips and the current account deficit, plus essential insights for expats managing taxes abroad. Stay with us as we share an inspiring success story from Farnoosh Torabi, who turned her financial journey into a thriving community. Your journey to financial empowerment begins now. Chapter 1, Today's Market News. Today, the market breathes a mixed air. Investors are caught between strong earnings and disappointing subscriber growth in tech. The technology sector shines, fueled by Alphabet's stellar performance, while the energy sector feels the pressure from Eni's uneven results. Earnings reports are the heartbeat of investor sentiment, revealing how companies tackle economic hurdles. Let's look at the top 3 biggest stock movers. First, Alphabet Incorporated soared over 3% today, surpassing earnings expectations. With robust revenue growth and a bold commitment to artificial intelligence, it's like a race car revving for the future. Positioned for growth, Alphabet is ready to lead the AI revolution. Next, T-Mobile US saw its shares dip by 6%, despite beating earnings. Strong profits were overshadowed by a shortfall in new subscribers, like a bakery with great sales but few customers. Investors are weighing the subscriber miss against the positive financials. Finally, AutoNation stock climbed after exceeding earnings estimates, showcasing impressive sales growth. Like a finely tuned machine, it's enhancing profitability and eyeing strategic acquisitions to boost revenue further. Today's market reveals a thriving tech sector, yet caution lingers in telecom subscriber growth. Keep a watchful eye on upcoming earnings, especially from key players in tech and automotive. Remember, knowledge is your compass in these shifting tides. Chapter 2, Simple Finance Terms Explained. Treasury inflation-protected securities, or TIPS, are U.S. government bonds designed to rise in value with inflation. They safeguard your investment, ensuring it keeps pace with rising prices. Imagine TIPS as a balloon, expanding as inflation fills it, protecting your purchasing power. The current account deficit occurs when a nation buys more from others than it sells, creating a trade imbalance. Picture a household spending more on groceries than it earns. Eventually, it must borrow or dip into savings to bridge the gap. Quantitative easing is when a central bank creates new money to purchase bonds, aiming to invigorate the economy. Visualize it as a gardener watering plants with a hose of new money, nurturing growth during a dry spell of economic downturn. In the dance of finance, understanding these concepts empowers you. They are tools to navigate the currents of our economy, ensuring your journey is both wise and fruitful. Embrace this knowledge, and let it guide your path to prosperity. Chapter 3, Top Stock Pick of the Day. Today, let's explore why HCA Healthcare, HCA, shines as a remarkable investment choice. This company is thriving, consistently surpassing expectations, a beacon of promise for the future. Here are 3 compelling reasons why HCA stands out. First, HCA's revenue rises year after year, signaling a steady influx of funds for improvements and expansions. Second, HCA retains a significant portion of its revenue as profit, showcasing effective cost management, crucial for lasting success. Third, HCA generates substantial cash from its operations. This liquidity empowers them to pay off debts, invest in new ventures, or reward shareholders, ensuring financial stability. Yet, we must acknowledge the risks. The healthcare sector is vulnerable to shifts in government policies, economic fluctuations, and changes in patient demand. These elements could influence HCA's performance. In summary, HCA Healthcare presents a promising opportunity. But always weigh the potential risks before making your investment. Remember, wisdom in investing is as vital as the choice itself. Chapter 4, Core Long-Term Strategy with ETF. Picture this, you crave a slice of a vibrant fruit salad, but buying each fruit feels overwhelming. Enter ETFs, or exchange-traded funds. They let you invest in a delightful mix of stocks, all at once, simplifying your journey to long-term wealth. Now, envision the MSCI World Index as a treasure map, showcasing the finest fruit salads from 23 countries. By diversifying your investments, if one fruit turns sour, you still have a feast of flavors to savor. The MSCI World Index is a vital compass for investors, tracking stocks from 23 developed nations and reflecting the pulse of global markets. Recently, MSCI has expanded its offerings, providing wealth advisors and clients with fresh opportunities. A popular choice is the iShares MSCI World ETF, URTH. This ETF lets you invest in a broad array of companies from the index without the hassle of buying each stock. It's like holding a basket of global stocks. Stay informed about MSCI Incorporated's performance by checking their stock price and news updates, as this knowledge can guide your investment journey. Investing carries risks. Think long-term and avoid using urgent funds. Chapter 5, Quick Financial Lesson. Moving abroad is a thrilling journey, but it comes with financial responsibilities. As an expat, you may still owe taxes in your home country, even while basking in a new land. Take Sarah, who left the US for sunny Spain. She adored the beaches, yet found herself filing taxes in both nations. To avoid unexpected costs, dive into the tax laws of your new home. Check for tax treaties that can shield you from double taxation. And when it comes to banking, be mindful, some banks impose hefty fees for international transactions. Opening a local account could save you money. Keep a close eye on your expenses in this new chapter. It's essential for budgeting and understanding the local cost of living. Before you embark on your adventure, consult a tax professional familiar with expat issues. They'll guide you through the complexities, ensuring you comply with both countries' laws. Embrace your journey with confidence. Chapter 6, Real Stories of Financial Success. In the vibrant heart of Brooklyn, New York, Farnoosh Torabi began her financial odyssey in 2015. Her mission? To empower others through the art of money management. As the voice behind the acclaimed So Money podcast, she shared tales of triumph while embodying her own teachings. Farnoosh crafted a diversified portfolio, investing in ETFs like the Vanguard Total Stock Market and the iShares MSCI Emerging Markets ETF. Over 5 years, her investments flourished, growing by over 60%. Through her journey, she discovered the essence of financial literacy, the virtue of patience, and the strength found in community. For Farnoosh, understanding finances transcends mere numbers. It's about creating a life you cherish. Her story is a powerful reminder. Seize control of your financial destiny today. Every small step you take matters. Chapter 7, Summary and Personal Investment Strategy. Thank you for being with us today. Let's recap the key insights we shared. In Chapter 1, the market sent mixed signals. The technology sector thrived, led by Alphabet's impressive 3% rise. Meanwhile, the energy sector struggled. T-Mobile dipped 6% despite strong earnings, while AutoNation soared after exceeding expectations. In Chapter 2, we demystified Treasury inflation-protected securities, which shield your investments from inflation. We also discussed the current account deficit, a sign of trade imbalance, and quantitative easing, where central banks inject money to spark growth. Grasping these concepts is vital for navigating finance. In Chapter 3, HCA Healthcare stood out with strong revenue growth and healthy profit margins. Yet, we must remain cautious of potential risks in the healthcare sector. In Chapter 4, we explored how ETFs simplify investing, allowing you to buy a diverse mix of stocks, like the MSCI World Index, which tracks companies from 23 developed nations. This diversification reduces risks and enriches your investment journey. In Chapter 5, moving abroad is thrilling, but it brings tax responsibilities. Understanding local tax laws and banking fees is crucial. Consulting a tax professional can help you navigate these complexities. Remember, knowledge is your greatest ally on this financial journey. Today, I'm adding $15 to my MSCI World Index investment and experimenting with $10 in a fractional share of HCA, both with 1-to-1 leverage to emphasize cautious, diversified investing. Before we conclude, let's debunk a common myth: gold is the best investment during a crisis. The truth is, gold can be volatile, other assets may perform better. For instance, during the 2020 pandemic, stocks rebounded faster than gold. Diversification is essential. Don't rely solely on gold for security. Reflect on your retirement. Are you investing enough for the future? Take a moment today to consider this and share your thoughts in the comments. Small steps lead to significant financial success. As always, do your research, test strategies, and consult a financial advisor before making decisions. If you enjoyed today's video, please like, comment, subscribe, and turn on notifications to stay informed and support our channel's growth. Join us next time as we continue to build your financial knowledge. We welcome your thoughts, questions, or topic suggestions in the comments. Thank you for watching. Enable notifications so you never miss valuable insights and market updates.